Bacteria, also called germs, are microscopic organisms not visible with the naked eye. Bacteria are single-celled or simple organisms. Though small bacteria are powerful and complex, and they can survive in extreme conditions. Bacteria are, when it comes to straight numbers, the biggest population of organisms that exist on Earth. Bacteria can be found almost anywhere on the planet, deep underground, below the deepest points in the oceans, and even 40 miles high up in the atmosphere. There are many bacteria in the human body, especially in the stomach and mouth. Bacteria are found on surfaces and in substances such as water, soil, and food. Hello, I am Sudhirtalati, and today we will try to know how much bacteria is on Earth. What are the types of bacteria? How are bacteria good for us? And how are bacteria harmful? Come, let's find out with me. The estimated number of bacteria that exist within the Earth's system might shock you. You should also grab a bigger piece of paper if you want to write this down. There are 5 nonalian bacteria in the Earth's ecosystem, including the ones found in living beings. That is 5 into 10 on 30th power. Somebody calculated, taking the average size of bacteria into account, how much distance would all the bacteria stacked on top of each other cover. As it turns out, that long chain of bacteria would extend for 1 trillion light years. You heard it, 1 trillion light years. This sounds almost scary, more because of the fact that we are talking about microscopic sized organisms. Something we cannot even see with the naked eye is absolutely everywhere and in absolutely everyone. Bacteria can be aerobic, anaerobic, or facultative anaerobes. These terms describe how they respond to oxygen. Aerobic bacteria need oxygen to live. Anaerobic bacteria will die around oxygen. However, facultative anaerobes function best with oxygen but do not need it. Some bacteria are good for you, including the bacteria in your digestive system or gut. These bacteria help to break down food and keep you healthy. If you ever get food poisoning, that is a bad thing and you should try to be careful. But worry not. There are bacteria in our intestines that would help you battle the condition. We are lucky that we have plenty of good bacteria inside our bodies that often help us battle hostile intruders, that is, other bacteria and viruses, that try to compromise our immune system in any manner. Other good bacteria that can produce oxygen are used to create antibiotics. Bacteria are used in food production too, to make yogurt and fermented foods. The ecosystem relies on bacteria to function properly. For example, bacteria breaks down dead matter in the environment, like dead leaves, releasing carbon dioxide and nutrients in the process. Without the release of carbon dioxide, plants are unable to grow. Bacteria are capable of nitrogen level management in the soil too. Without a doubt, the stability of the Earth's system largely depends on the world of bacteria. Yes, bacteria can cause various diseases and infections. But out of all the bacteria that exist around us, less than 1% would, technically speaking, be considered dangerous. Though there are many more good bacteria than bad, some bacteria are harmful. If you consume or come in contact with harmful bacteria, They may reproduce in your body and release toxins that can damage your body's tissues and make you feel ill. Harmful bacteria are called pathogenic bacteria because they cause disease and illnesses like strep throat, staph infections, cholera, tuberculosis, and food poisoning.